Stop optimizing your website for users and start optimizing it for agents. The biggest shift in the history of the service economy is here: Agentic Commerce. We've moved past the era where a human scrolls through your service pages for 20 minutes trying to find a pricing guide or credentials. Today, your customer is a digital agent sitting inside ChatGPT, Gemini, or a private mobile assistant. These agents don't browse, they decide. If your service data isn't structured for a machine to read in milliseconds, you're invisible. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your service brand into an agent-friendly gateway before you lose your market share to the firms that have already plugged in. So let's think about how you book a service right now. You search, you read reviews, you check availability, and you manually fill out a contact form or a booking calendar. That process is being handled by autonomous service agents. A customer just says to their phone, "Find me a certified, eco-friendly house cleaner in Brisbane with 5-star reviews who is available this Tuesday between 9 a.m. and noon," and book a 3-hour deep clean. The agent doesn't care about your pretty website photography or your clever about us copy. It cares about your service schema and your API accessibility. If your real-time availability isn't clearly labeled in a way that an agent can scrape, or if your certifications aren't a verifiable data point in your metadata, the agent skips it. It's that simple. We're seeing a massive shift where service brands are moving their budgets out of UX design and into structured data engineering. You could build agent gateways. These are specialized endpoints that allow service agents to verify professional licenses and insurance, check real-time booking capacity, negotiate introductory rates based on the user's loyalty profile, execute payments, calendar invites via protocols like MCP, Model Context Protocol. You aren't just selling to a person anymore, you're selling to a piece of code that is acting on their behalf. This changes everything about brand loyalty. Loyalty isn't about brand vibes, it's about share of model. You want to be the service provider that the AI recommends every single time, because your data is the most trusted, your availability is the most transparent, and your booking API is the easiest to process. If you aren't auditing your service feed for AI readiness today, you're essentially closing your doors to the most powerful buyer in the world. The front door to your service business isn't your homepage anymore. It's an API. Subscribe for more HubSpot AI tips and tricks. Happy HubSpotting.